Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your channel name in Slack. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your channel name in Slack, you just simply have to open this Slack application into your phone. And after opening the Slack application, you will get to see all of your channels into here. Just simply select the channel which you want to change the name. And after selecting the channel, just simply tap into the channel name and then click to this pencil icon at the top right. Just simply tap into that and then you can easily erase your current channel name and rename it, and then just simply tap into this save button at the top right and then your channel name will successfully be changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.